Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Venmo app not opening or crashing. First of all, force close Venmo. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for Venmo and then swipe it away. Next, you are going to restart your iPhone. After you restart your iPhone, head over to your app store, search for Venmo, and then make sure to update your app to the latest version. Updating it fixes all the bugs and gives you the latest version. It won't give the outdated data, so make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, open your settings app, go to general and then go to iPhone storage. There, check if you have storage on the mobile. If not, then free up some storage. After that, reinstall the app. Long press on the Venmo screen, click on remove app, go to your app store and then download reinstall the Venmo app. Safety tip: avoid beta software, it makes apps crash. Quick fix: turn off low power mode, and that's it. Subscribe for more fixes.